Minisita omuhwezi w'ebyentambura Fred Byamukama ebyabigambiro bwabire n'arambura Dr. Richard Rubega omwe omu bantu abakozire kurungi empinga ya hikina eyi President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni atwire n'ashomesa abantu okweyiha omu bworo.
Here we sell it at 40,000. So you find now from the grass we have added value. We make good feeds and then we sell even to other people around the community. So the community has benefited from this kind of value addition onto grass.
So he's using biogas from the farm, and when he assessed, he has told me he has a net profit of about 34 million per month. You can imagine, he's paying himself, and the profits he has done, he has built his facility because he's a medical doctor. For him, instead of going to search for jobs, strike on the streets, he decided to get the profits, start his health facility, which is helping the community. Out of those profits, so he has invested in the health facility from 1.5 acres. The profits he has got per month, 34 million net profit. And now, from 1.5 acres, he has built his own facility. He's helping the community and also earning money from there. And the 34 million net profit is only from 1.5 acre. Those enterprises which are there, not the health facility.
This is a demonstration farm. As the executive director for that demonstration farm, I'm self-employed, and I did not ask for any job from government. Instead, I'm employing many Ugandans. Currently, I have a total number of 40 workers, male and female, and youth takes the biggest percentage. Averagely, 80% of the employees are the youth. And we are trying to ensure that these younger youth are not getting indulging into early marriages, having families at another stage, and we also help them to skill them. Some of them have gained skills from our farm and have gone to establish their own businesses, which is very important and actually is reducing that pressure and the spoilage that we have been seeing among the youth. Now, at my farm, I have a variety of enterprises, and I will start with layers. I have averagely 1,683 layers. Those are in production stage. They are laying eggs. And we have 1,530 layers which have not yet started laying. Now from the other section that is laying, we get averagely 30 million net profit.
Omuhinjo Minisita Byamukama arambwire nashangwa omu kyaro kya Busesa omugombora ya Matale omu district ya Kibaale. Minisita Byamukama agambire ngu abantu baheza okuhinga empinga ya hikina nibaza kuhangaho emirimo na munonga omu by'okureeberera empunu ebyenyanja hamwe n'ebindi.
Extension 2.5 acres here is doing fish farming. He has grass for cows, and he also has banana plantation. So this is very good. That's what we are telling the public, and we shall guide him to improve them more, so that the profits can increase. Because where he is located is strategically located, and he has good customers who can buy his items.
We are processing now maize broken, adding value to our maize, because we know here we are the chief producer of maize.
Now emphasizing on PDM, price development model, a MIOGA program. We have got operation wealth creation. All these government interventions, government initiatives, presidential initiatives, they are intended to alleviate poverty among Ugandans. Please, leaders, I appeal to you. Let's extend this message to our people, to our electorates, and to religious leaders. Also, please, as you disseminate, as you transform the lives of our people religious-wise, please let's also transform their lives economically.
Dr. Richard Rubega akatandika faamu egi omwaka gw'2014 bwanyameho kutunga obushagiki obwa Operation Wealth Creation. Gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.